Hello everyone, welcome to Choi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do poached miso salmon. First of all, you need to julienne the ginger. And then the shiitake mushroom. For the Pak Choi, you need to separate the stem and the leaves. Slice the stems. Chiffonade the leaves. We also need small pieces of tangerine peel. Add the fish stock in, let it boil. Add the salmon into the soup. Remember, skin side down. Add the mushrooms. Add the Pak Choi stems. Add the ginger. Add the tangerine peels. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Take out the salmon and set it aside. Turn up the heat to reduce the stock. Add in Mirin. Then add Miso Paste. Whisk it and let it reduce. Remember, never let it boil. Pour the stock onto your salmon. Add the Pak Choi leaves and you have the delicious poached miso salmon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.